Happy New Year, everybody. Have we had a good time over Christmas and celebrating the new year? You know what? I thought I'd come on and share with you some of my favourite beauty products that I've used this year. Some of the things that I've purchased this year, some of the things that I've just grown in their use, some have got old favourites. I thought I'd share them with you because sometimes we like to see what other people are using and perhaps try them out for ourselves. What I will say with skincare, sometimes it's a trial and error. Really depends on if you are what your skin type's like and how sensitive you are. So I'd say what I'm showing you, a lot of things are available in sample sizes, so you know what, go for it. So first thing I'm going to share with you, which I've shared on another post previously, is it's always been L'Oreal. So you've got their cleanse and polish toner and also their moisturizer. Now these do come in sample sizes, and I think I've got sample size. So we've got sample size of the cleanse and polish. So this is what size is that? So that's a 50 ml. You can also get a little 30. You can also get a little 30 ml tube as a sample, or well, say it's like a trial or even travel. It's great for travel. I mean, this 50 ml, that can probably last about a month. I've taken it away on a fortnight holiday and I've still had some when I come back. Let's say perhaps 3 weeks to 4 weeks. And then that's the small 50 ml toner. So that's the 50 ml of that. That lasts forever. Well, not forever, but it does. I'd say that probably lasts a couple of months if you was using that all the time. It also, with the cleanse and polish, does come in a variety of fragrances sometimes, or let's say essences. They use a lot of natural herbs. So this is like one I got earlier. This is one I'm currently using. So I don't want to keep showing you all full items. Show you this is actually one in use currently at the moment. And my current moisturizer, that's nearly finished. I mean, this has been going. That's been going for quite a few months now. I only use a little bit at a time. But when I've kind of gone to get my backup one, they've kind of changed the formula slightly in that it's guaranteed gives 72 hours of balanced hydration. And so the packaging has changed slightly, so it now looks like that. So as I say, it was that previously, it's now that. So I'm looking forward to trying that and seeing what it's like. But sticking on the skincare front, something else I started using earlier this year, and I wanted to kind of trial it, just see how it would go, and it's Ole Henriksen. Okay, now this is a sample size, and this was called the Three Little Wonders, which contain their Truth Serum, Invigorating Night Transformation Gel, and a Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. So I got this, and it actually got this from Boots here in the UK, because I don't think we can have it direct sites. I'm not quite sure anywhere else you can get it, but I got it from Boots. But I actually had 2 of these. I kind of tried it once, and I thought, well, let me try it again. I think I took it on holiday with me back in February when we could get away. But yeah, tried it. I thought, oh, actually, this is not too bad. So I then went out and bought the full size Truth Serum, and I also got a full size of the Transformation, so Invigorating Night Transformation Gel. Again, they just seem to last a long time. This is my second large one that I've had. Okay, so it's that sort of size, and I only use a little bit. I'm not one to slather a lot of stuff on my face, but they really do seem to last a long while. I didn't get the moisturizer that's in here, as I like my L'Oreal one. But you know what? I think because my skin's getting a bit older, I'm a bit more mature, you know, as it is, and plus going through the menopause, our skin complexion changes slightly, texture and the feel of it. So I just felt I needed to add something more into my routine, as well as a L'Oreal. And then something I then started trying, perhaps about 3 months ago, I added in the additional Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. So I do actually use this in addition to this. So once I've cleansed my face with a hot cloth, once I've used the hot cloth cleanser, I then kind of use, you see, still in use, use a cotton pad on this over my face. It's got like an astringent to it, but it's about oil control. And then I kind of finish off with this one, which is a little bit lighter. So I've added that to my routine. And then in the mornings, I actually use the Banana Bright Eye Cream, which is great for under eye. And It's got vitamin C and it's collagen boosted, but it just kind of helps reduce a little bit of the puffiness there, and it gives a nice base to makeup. So yeah, I'm very much with Ole Henriksen, and you know, with these skincare, I would say it's an investment, and they do last a while. So when you actually calculate it out per day or per month, you know, it's not that bad. So as I say, that's what I've been using, and my Liz Earle I've been using for so many years now. Ole Henriksen I introduced, you know, this year. But I've also recently acquired some products kind of over the Christmas periods, which was very nice, that I will be trialing in the new year, and I'll probably come back and give an update on those. Kind of as part of my Christmas boxes, I got some Kylie Skin. So I've got the foaming face wash and the hydrating face mask. So I'm going to be trying those out in the new year and see how we go, and then I'll come back. I think I like to try them perhaps for a month or so and just see how my skin feels with it, and then that will give a true reflection on what the product is like, rather than try it once and you see it, 'cause you won't know what it's like. I also got a nice little gift set for Estee Lauder, and this, I mean, again, I've seen quite a few influencers use this, and this is the Advanced Night Repair Serum. It's the Synchronize Multi-Recovery Complex, again, you know, for the mature skin. And I've also got a small little sample there of the Advanced Night Cream for the eyes. And then there's a Micro Essence, a skin activating treatment lotion. We'll probably use these more at night time just to see how, and again, we'll see how I get on with those and then report back. But yeah, quite nice little Christmas gifts there, but I will try those in the new year.